blue color, red color, yellow color, green color, black color, and white color. Kids, now draw. A, A for apple, A for ant, and here is blue color. The alphabets of A. B, B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. Kids, now to C. C for cat, C for car. The alphabets of C. And U is red color, red color. D, D for dog, D for dog. The alphabets of D. Kids, neither E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E. And U is yellow color, yellow color. F, F for fish, F for fan. The alphabets of F. It's neither G, G for God, G for glass. The alphabets of G. And here is green color, green color. Kids, again use green color and draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter. The alphabets of H. Red color, yellow color, blue color, green color, black color, and white color. Kids, now coloring alphabets. Kids, first we draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids, again use red color and draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. Kids, now draw K. K for kite, K for king. And use yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw L. L for lion, L for lemon. Kids, now draw M. M for moon, M for mango. And use blue color. N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, now draw O. O for orange, O for octopus. And use green color. Kids, again use green color and draw P. P for parrot, P for penguin. The alphabets are red color, yellow color, blue color, green color, black color, and white color. So kids, now you draw Q. And U is red color. Q for queen, Q for quill. The alphabets of Q. R. R for rose, R for rice. The alphabets of R. Kids, now S. S for sun, S for snack. The alphabets of S. T. T for teacher. T for tiger. The alphabets of T. Kids night U. U for umbrella. U for ankle. And here is blue color. Blue color. V. V for van. V for violet. The alphabets of V. It's neither W. W for wallet. W for watch. The alphabets of W. And here is green color. Green color. X. X for X-ray. X for telephone. The alphabets of X. It's neither Y. Y for yak. Y for yo-yo. The alphabets of Y. And U is black color. And Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. The alphabets of Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.